welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward Standard 2nd. Subject English Grammar. Topic Adjectives. Now look here students. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. He is a tall man. She is a kind woman. It is a small house. This is my new dress. So these tall, kind, small, new, these are the describing words. And adjectives are describing words. So here students, the words tall, kind, small and new tell us something about the nouns. Okay? Nouns means like man, woman, house, dress. These are the nouns. So the words tall, kind, small and new tell us something about the nouns. So these are describing words. Words that describe a noun are called adjectives or describing words. Adjectives can describe the color, shape, size and quality of a naming word. For example, color like yellow flower, red dress. So this yellow and red is a adjective. Size, large cake, small tail. So large and small is the describing word. Shape, square toffee, circular eraser. So this square and circular, okay, it is telling about the shape of the things. So this is the describing words. Quality, wooden box, iron ball. So wooden and iron is the describing words. So here students, describing words are called adjectives. An adjective can tell us more about a noun. They tell us more about people and things. The adjective always comes before the noun. Adjective of quality. So here students, adjectives that tell us something about the kind of person, place, animal or things are called adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. Adjectives of quality also include color words. Now for example here students, John looked through the tiny round window to the dark forest below. He saw a beautiful white unicorn. See, observe the picture students. Okay. Now let's solve some questions. Okay. Okay. Now see, what kind of window was it? Come on. What kind of window was it? It was a square, rectangular. What kind of window? Come on, see. Yeah, it is round window. So, it was a round window. Second question, what kind of unicorn was it? So, the answer is, it was a white unicorn. Correct? Am I right, students? Am I right? Let's see. What is the color of unicorn? So, look here, student. This is unicorn. So, what is the color of unicorn? White. Correct. Okay, third one. What kind of forest was it? So it was a dark forest. Okay, now let's solve some exercise students. Okay. Okay, now here. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. So here students, these are the words, adjectives that we have to match with the given noun. Okay, so here words are here: soft, crafty, heavy, ferocious, shallow, interesting, sour, sharp, huge. Okay, let's match with these nouns. Okay, so the first one is fox. Now let's find out the adjective related to the fox. So crafty fox, pillow, soft pillow, knife, sharp knife, book, interesting book, lion, ferocious, river, shallow river, king, kind king, grapes, sour grape, box, heavy box, giant, huge giant. So these are the describing words for these nouns, given nouns. Okay, next students. Okay, underline the adjectives in the following text. So we have to underline the given describing words. Okay, it was a warm day. So how is the day? Warm. So the adjective word is warm. There was a gentle breeze. So how is the breeze? Gentle. Rita and her family were on a quiet beach. So describing word for beach is quiet beach. Okay, they swam in the clear blue sea. So how is the sea? Clear blue. And built big sand castles. So how is the sand castles? Big. In the soft golden sand. And how is the sand? Soft and golden. Okay. They also collected beautiful seashells. So how is the seashells? Beautiful. There were big crabs playing hide and seek in the soft sand. So here big and soft is the describing words. These are the adjectives. Rita also found a lovely starfish on the beach. What Rita found? Starfish. But how is the fish? Lovely. Okay. At the end of their long day, how was the day? Long day. They were very tired but happy. They were very tired. How? They were very tired but happy. So these are the underlined words are adjectives. Look, students, complete the sentences with suitable adjective of quality. So these are the like long, brave, clever, never, sharp, exciting, thick, loud, strong, heavy. These are the adjectives of quality. Okay. Now we have to select from here and we have to fill this blanks. I was, for example, I was at the cinema yesterday. I saw a very exciting film. Okay. I am wearing my dash shoe today. So the answer is new. Cats have cats have dash teeth and thick and dash fur. So answer over here is sharp. SHARP. Sharp teeth and thick fur. Okay. Suddenly there was a dash noise. So the answer is loud. Today we are going to have dash winds and dash rain. So the answer is we have to, we have to select from here. So today we are going to have strong winds and heavy. I am writing a story about a brave knight and a clever princess. My big sister has a blue eyes and long hair. Okay, these are the adjectives of quality like long, brave, clever, new, sharp, exciting, thick, loud, strong, heavy. Now here, look here students. When you are using more than one adjectives to describe a noun, they have to go in a particular order. Color adjectives usually come after other kinds of adjectives. Okay. So here students, complete the sentences putting the adjective in the correct order. Number, size and then color. Okay. First will come number, then size and then color. Okay. So the first one, for example, my father is carrying two big heavy boxes. First one, Anna is wearing a beautiful red sari. Okay, we have to find out the answer from here. Okay, first we have to select number, size and then color. Okay, there are dash dash giraffes in the London Zoo. So first will come 3 and then tall. So there are 3 tall giraffe in the London Zoo. Third one, my kitten has dash dash eyes. So first we will select size and then color. So size is big and color is blue. So here is size and here is color. So the answer is my kitten has big blue eyes. Okay. Now fourth one. There are dash dash trees in our garden. Okay. So first here will come number and then come size. Okay. So 5 tall. There are 5 tall trees in our garden. Okay. Next students, fifth one. My jacket has dash 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 buttons. So here option are in the bracket tiny yellow 5. So first number 5, then size tiny, then color yellow. So answer is my jacket has 5 tiny yellow buttons. Okay. Now sixth one. The dash 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 mangoes in the basket are ready to eat. So in the bracket given here, options ripe, big, yellow. So let's we arrange it accordingly. First, okay, big, ripe, yellow. Okay, so the big ripe yellow mangoes in the basket are ready to eat. Okay, Jack balanced the dash 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 ball on his head. So first will come size, okay, big, heavy, red ball on his head. Eighth one, Cinderella wore a dash 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 gown for the ball. So the answer is long, beautiful, silver. So Cinderella wore a long, beautiful silver gown for the ball. Okay, now students, you have to write all this question answer in your grammar workbook chapter adjective in that, and you have to revise at home. Okay, thank you. Take care students. Thank you and have a nice day, bacha.